DL2204, your project blogger host. Subscribe.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this moment we will give you the Missology Miss Supranational Final Hot Picks. And now let's begin their final hot picks with top 25. Miss Supranational Canada, 24 Finland, 23 Bolivia, 22 Zambia, and 21 Netherlands. Now let's have top 20. Singapore, 19 Guatemala, number 18 spot Ecuador, 17 Poland, and top 16 is Turkey. Now let's have top 15. South Africa, number 14 Tanzania, number 13 spot Cambodia, 12 Puerto Rico, and number 11 Thailand. And of course, let's have the top 10 finalists. Number 10 India, number 9 Brazil, number 8 Macau, number 7 Venezuela, and number 6 spot is Philippines. And now let's give you the top 5 hot picks coming from Missology. And number 5 Nigeria, number 4 France, number 3 Spain, number 2 spot Czech Republic, and number 1 is Indonesia. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, top 25 final hot picks coming from the pageant page Missology. Support your favorite Miss Supranational candidate and don't forget to like and subscribe because we will be giving more updates. Magkita po tayo hanggang sa Grand Finals ng Miss Supranational 2026.